If you find that your File Explorer is crashing right when you open it up, or hanging or freezing or whatever you want to call it, then most likely your issue is the quick access. So quick access pulls up your frequent folders and recent files and populates after using your computer for some time, and sometimes a stale entry in there or some sort of bug causes it to freeze. So obviously, if you're having the issue, you can't get to this screen right here. So what you're going to do, right click on this icon and select one of these other auxiliary options here, like desktop for instance. And then if you select quick access, it's going to freeze you again. What you're going to do is you're going to go to view, you're going to go to options, and then you're going to come down here, uncheck these two boxes, and then you're going to click clear. And then once you hit apply, it should fix your issue. Quick access will be refreshed. You don't actually lose anything outside of a little bit of history and maybe some ease of use, but once you're ready to re-enable it, go to view, options, you can check these two boxes again and they'll start populating with entries as you use your computer more. So nice, short, sweet fix. Hope this helped. If you are interested in a career in IT or system administration, an entry-level technician, or even someone further along in your technology career, Rising Techs has great content to binge watch. Check out the Tech 101 series for an entertaining glance at core IT terms and concepts. Check out the Top Priority series for an in-depth look at the most important character traits of CIS professionals and the cornerstones of properly maintained networks. And during the week, check out the Tales from Tech Support series, which covers the funniest IT-related stories from around the web. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment and a rating, and have a great day. This is Rising Techs logging off.